Hey, tech enthusiasts! It's never too early for some exciting Apple news, and today we're diving into the early rumors surrounding the upcoming iPhone 16. Yes, you heard it right, iPhone 16. Even before the dust has had a chance to settle from the iPhone 15 series launch, we're already hearing whispers about what Apple might have in store for the next generation. And this time, it's coming from the reliable tipster, digital chat station, hinting at some intriguing features for the iPhone 16. So, what can we expect from the iPhone 16? Well, brace yourselves for some potentially game-changing upgrades. First up, the iPhone 16 series is rumored to ditch physical buttons in favor of virtual solid-state buttons. This isn't the first time we've heard of this idea, with Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo previously speculating about a similar feature for the iPhone 15 Pro models. While earlier predictions for the iPhone 15 Pro models suggested the use of two taptic engines to simulate button presses, Apple seemed to have stuck with physical buttons. However, the persistence of the virtual button concept suggests that we might finally see it in action with the iPhone 16 series. But that's not all. Apple is also considering an upgrade to the screen refresh rates for its standard iPhone models. Traditionally, these models have stuck with a 60 Hz refresh rate in the 13, 14, and 15 series. However, the iPhone 16 might just break the trend by potentially offering refresh rates of either 90 Hz or 120 Hz. This would be a substantial leap, promising smoother visuals and improved display performance. Now, let's talk camera tech. The iPhone 16 Pro series could be in for a treat with a rumored 48-megapixel stacked super-large main camera sensor and a 5x periscope telephoto lens. While the camera gets an upgrade, the device's overall design, including the dynamic island, is expected to remain unchanged. This promises exciting photography capabilities for the Pro series. Last but not least, we might see the introduction of Wi-Fi 7 in the upcoming iPhone 16 series, ushering in faster and more reliable wireless connectivity. That's a quick glimpse into the exciting potential of the iPhone 16. As always, these are early rumors, so take them with a grain of salt. But it's clear that Apple is continuously innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with each new iPhone generation. Stay tuned for more updates on this intriguing development, and be sure to subscribe for the latest tech news.